This power station has the capacity to light up the entire city. She carefully checks each component of the robot. She uses a small device to unlock the door. She works as an engineer at the flying car factory. The new system facilitates communication between humans and robots. The old machines in this district still run on fuel. The backup generator powers the entire building during blackouts. Her innovative design catches everyone's attention. The famous inventor reveals his latest creation to the world. She works at the leading robotics company in the world. This power station has the capacity to light up the entire city. She carefully checks each component of the robot. She uses a small device to unlock the door. She works as an engineer at the flying car factory. The new system facilitates communication between humans and robots. The old machines in this district still run on fuel. The backup generator powers the entire building during blackouts. Her innovative design catches everyone's attention. The famous inventor reveals his latest creation to the world. She works at the leading robotics company in the world.